Bafana Bafana captain Ronwen Williams has etched his name into South African football history, joining an elite group of players with 50 international appearances for the national team. The landmark achievement came during South Africa's emphatic 3-0 victory over South Sudan at the DHL Stadium in Cape Town on Tuesday, as they wrapped up their 2025 Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers in style. Reflecting on his journey, Williams described the milestone as a defining moment in his career and a testament to his resilience, and said, "This is a wonderful moment for me and my family who've been with me every step of the way." Williams was speaking on SABC Sport and said, "The journey hasn't been easy. My international debut was a tough baptism, but it shaped me into the player I am today." Williams' debut came in March 2014, a forgettable 5-0 defeat to Brazil in a friendly. At just 22, the young goalkeeper faced one of the toughest starts imaginable, but instead of breaking under the pressure, he used the experience to fuel his rise. He said, "That match turned a boy into a man. I knew I had to dig deep, fight, and endure. Looking back now, I'm proud of myself for not giving up and for pushing through those challenges." Over the past decade, Williams has emerged as one of Africa's finest goalkeepers. His career highlights include being named Best Goalkeeper at the 2023 AFCON and earning a prestigious Ballon d'Or nomination, underscoring his impact on both domestic and international stages. His 50th cap sees him join an exclusive club of 30 South African players to have reached the half-century milestone, following in the footsteps of teammates like Themba Zwane, who achieved the feat earlier this year. Williams believes the current Bafana Bafana squad is experiencing a renaissance and staking its claim among Africa's elite, and said South Africa is back on the map, back where we belong. We've had an amazing year and it's been incredible to see the country united through football. That's the most important thing, bringing joy to the nation and making people proud. The Tuesday's resounding win over South Sudan capped a string of impressive performances in the AFCON qualifiers, signaling a bright future for South African football. As Williams celebrated his personal milestone, he remained focused on the collective mission of sustaining the team's momentum and said, "We just need to keep going. This atmosphere, the smiles, the happiness, it's all amazing, and it's just the beginning." With his unwavering determination and leadership, Ronwen Williams continues to inspire Bafana Bafana and football fans across the continent. His journey, marked by grit and perseverance, is a shining example of the heights that can be reached through hard work and resilience. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.